Bye, get a box. Wake up. Oh.
Cooter, 1, 2, 3. He's so cute. Oh God! Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Hey, no. Hey, no. Stop it now. Oh, baby. Oh.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Would you like some guacamole?
Well, I'm looking to adopt a cat today. This one looks really nice. Oh, whoa! Stop it. Love each other.
His face. His face.
What the fuck is going on?
He just fell asleep.
Excuse me.
When your cat finds out that you're making a double of her, she's so fucking angry.
Okay, just brought us food. I'm just getting you some wet food because you seem a little angry.
So I get home from work and I found Kona. I found Augie, but I can't find Leo. But then I look. I did find Leo. He's in the oven.
Oh my goodness, who left these bags here? Oh! Somebody's gotta let the cat out of the bag.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out, please! Let me in.
You okay, boy?
Come on.
Quarantine activity of the day, robotic fish. I started by filling my bathtub and waiting for the cats to arrive. First to arrive was Max, seconded by Hercules. I went and got a towel because I knew that this project would probably be a little bit messy. I tested the water to make sure it was cat-approved temperature. Not really sure what cat-approved temperature is, but we'll go on. Started to fill the tub with the fish one by one and waited for my cats to give me their very enthusiastic response on how great of a cat mom I am. Hercules wanted nothing to do with the bathtub filled with the fake fish, but Max was very excited, pawing in, grabbing the fish one by one. He kept attacking the same blue one, trying to get it out of the water, eventually moved on to the pink one, which he ripped out of the bathtub and brought to the mat. I grabbed it from him, tried to show it to Hercules. He still wanted nothing to do with it, and so I put it back in the water. But Max eventually makes the mistake of falling in.